Bright roots, let's learn today. Count with us, hip hip hooray. 1, 2, 3, that's the way. Bright roots, let's learn and play. Bright roots, we counted today. 1, 2, 3, hip hip hooray.
Look at this garden bed, everybody. It's all empty. Today we're gonna plant 3 flowers. 1 red, yellow, and 1 blue.
Ooh, I want the yellow one. 3 flowers. That sounds like a big job. I've got it. I can do it myself. I've got it. Almost got it. Lay, it's not moving. Wait, I have an idea. What if we all do it together? Okay, everybody, here's the plan. Lee and Dad, you carry the soil together. Kalea, you're on water duty. Lani, you bring the flowers.
Ready, Lee? On 3, 1, 2, 3.
Whoa, it's so easy now. Yay! Teamwork. Flower.
That's it, Lani.
1 hole for the red flower, 2 holes for the yellow flower, and 3 holes for the blue flower. All ready.
Great job, Imara. Those look perfect.
Time for some water. Drip, drip, drip. Bella! Sweetheart! Look! Pookie's taking a nap in the pot. Oh, Bella, that's not the spot. Digging time is over, silly girl.
Those two always find a way to join in.
We're ready to plant. Yay!
Now for the best part.
Let's plant our flowers. 1, 2, 3. 1. A beautiful red flower.
2. A bright yellow flower. 3. A pretty blue flower. 1, 2, 3. Together we did it!
Look at our garden, everybody. Doesn't it look beautiful?
We did this together. Thanks.
Together we can do anything! Together we can do anything!
Bright roots, let's learn and play. Bright roots, we counted today. 1, 2, 3, hip hip hooray.